Hi, it's Andy here at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. We've got a real treat for you here today. It is a short wheelbase, top of the range Volkswagen Transporter BiTDi 4Motion with a DSG gearbox in bay leaf green, so super rare colour. This is a 2023 plate with delivery mileage and has got a humongous specification from the factory. We've added loads of stuff as well. So as you can see, it's got the full LVR kit and gloss black pack on it. LED lights. We also do this pretty cool little mod to the 4Motion badge to make it fit in with all the other details we do around it. Transporter badge has been gloss blacked and side repeater smoked. So it's got 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, 30mm genuine Volkswagen lowering springs, along with the side bars and roof rails there. Privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. Now this one isn't fully completed inside at the minute, so we normally carpet line them, put roof LEDs, etc. Now we haven't got around to doing that yet, just a bit of a queue of work going on, but wanted to show you the vehicle, so just excuse the back bit for the minute. It will be as per all our other ones. This has got the single back sport seats in with the wing back bits here and the increased support from the side bolsters. Super seats. These make a real difference to the comfort level. And spec wise, we have got loads of stuff. So Discover Media Nav, it's got twin electric sliding doors, park assist, which gives you the side sensors and self park, heated front seats, carbon and leather steering wheel, hill descent control and diff lock as well. So huge amount of spec on this one. It's got the 2+1 rear seating arrangement. As mentioned, all panels are off because they're being trimmed, so this will look as per all our other Kombis look when completed. Got the small MASV detailing on the bottom of the sliding doors there. That's one of the side sensors, so when you get park assist, it gives you a visual on what side objects you're coming up against as well, which is really quite handy. Got the LVR higher level spoiler and the LVR rear bumper too. Reversing camera added on this one. Stands super well. They're just a nice change from all the normal greys and blacks that we see out there. Something a bit brighter. Has got the MASV tailored floor mats in too. That's diff lock and hill descent buttons. Mileage today, 19 miles only. So purely delivery miles from the dealer to us. That's all it's done. This one's also been treated, some lovely red brake calipers. Just little subtle details that go with the red in the 4Motion badges, in contrast with everything else there. So huge spec vehicle. Can't order these anymore now. Very few of them around. And we've got 20+ photos and a full written description on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We have got business finance facilities for this one, and we can of course take your part exchange. So if you're interested in looking at it, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.